Alright guys, in the diagram below of right triangle ABC, which is given right here, the side AC is 8, it's given. AB is also given. Which equation would help us to find the value of angle A? So we need to find angle A, which is this one. And we have to somehow use the side, so we have to use trig ratio. So let's write down sine is O divided by H, cosine is A divided by H, tangent is O divided by A. Alright, the next thing we have to name the sides of the triangle. This side is the hypotenuse H. This is angle A. This side is the opposite. And the other side is A. Now, we know all the sides except this one. So in order to find this, use Pythagorean theorem, because that's a missing side of the triangle, which says that hypotenuse square, 17 square, would be equal to this side square plus this side squared. We're trying to figure this side, so it's at O squared. Now we know that 17 squared would be, let's use the calculator, 289. 8 squared is 64 plus O squared. Then we take 64 from both sides of the equation. This will be out, so we have 289 minus 64. That's 225 equals to O squared. In order to find O, we need to take square root on both sides. So O will be a square root of 225, which is going to be, hold on a second, square root of 225, which is 15. So this side, O, is 15. Now we know this side, we know this side, and we know this side. So all the sides of the triangle are known. Now in order to find angle A, we can use sine, cosine, and tangent, 3 of them. So let's use all of them to figure out angle A. First, let's use sine. If I'm using sine of A will be equal to, sine is O divided by H. O is this side, H is this side. So it's 15 divided by 7. Okay. Now, if I'm using cosine of A, it's going to be A divided by H. So this side is 8 divided by H is 70. That's cosine of A. Now, if I'm using tangent of A, it will be O divided by A. O is this side, A is this side, so it's 15 divided by 8. Now, all we got to do is see which response is given. We have sine of A is 8 divided by 17. Doesn't match up, so that's not the correct response. Tangent of A is 8 divided by 15. Tangent of A should have been 15 divided by 8. Nope. Cosine of A is 15 divided by 17, but cosine of A should have been 8 divided by 17. Nope. Again, tangent of A is 15 divided by 8. And we see that right here, the last option, if we're using tangent of A is 15. This equation is actually correct. Everything else is wrong except this one. So we can use this trig ratio to find the angle A.